Today we're going to update the BIOS firmware first. So we have to go to the admin and we have to choose the firmware management. Go and select the firmware management. Here you have to first upload the BIOS. So select the BIOS and click on update. And here is the two option. Option is from TFT remote server, and this is for your local drive. So browse and select your local drive where the iOS you have been download. This is the package and install the firmware. Okay, process is requesting, so it will take some time to complete the process of BIOS. uh, so here the progress in 1%. So refresh the page so that we can see the how much progress has been done. Still 1% is showing here, so you can refresh. It will take some time to complete. Yeah, 50% has been progress, so it will take some time to complete successful until the status has been seen in this year. So we have to wait until completed 100%. You can see in the refresh still 50% has been shown, not completed 100%. Yeah, completed successfully done. The status is completed successfully. Is the two running version and backup version. The host power and power off is very important to power up the host, and click the BIOS and select on activate this BIOS. Here's the backup version and running version. The backup version you can see activate, and this is my new BIOS package. I activate the latest BIOS, and you can see the backup and running version has been changed right now. It will actually accept, yeah, running version is 4.0 and backup is 3c.0. And now we have to host power on with the host power and power on the host. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Now we're going to update the CIMC firmware. So going to the CIMC virtual media and go to the DVD. Yeah, this is the DVD, and select the browser from the iOS in the our local drive. So select the ISO file of CMC firmware and map drive. It will take some time. Yeah, with the virtual device, it will take some time, and F6. We will press the F6 when the boot is come out. Yeah, this comes and click the F6 in the boot menu. Not working actually. Okay, it's working right now. So I close this window and we are waiting. Actually, yeah, comes out, and go to the DVD 2.00. Select it. Yeah, this is on. Select. Yeah, it will take some time, more than 1 hour. I skip the video. Actually, pause the video. Now you can see the output. Actually, how it will come out in the screen. It will actually the same firmware you have to are going to update. It will take a lot of time. 1 to 2 hours. Yeah, it's now working the BIOS. Yeah, this is how I did it, and click on accept. Click on accept. Now accept this and go agree. It will take a lot of time actually. So I pause the video and go for the forward. So save the time actually. It's very important. You have to remember that first you have to update the BIOS firmware, then you have to update the CMC firmware. Otherwise, your boot will not be work. After 100%, it will reboot the device. Yeah, done. It will write the configuration platform hardware. Actually, yeah, the device is successfully updated. Thank you so much for watching my video.